Xbox Series S in 2025, still worth it. Welcome to Techiato and Happy New Year. As we step into 2025, the Xbox Series S remains one of the most interesting consoles in the market. Launched as a more affordable and compact alternative to the Series X, it surprised many with its solid performance, fast load times, and access to next-gen features at a budget-friendly price. But is it still worth buying in 2025? First, let's talk about the performance. The Series S still handles most modern games very well, especially when paired with features like FPS boost and quick resume. While it doesn't offer native 4K, its upscaled visuals still look great on most TVs. For casual and even semi-serious gamers, it's more than enough, especially with continued support from developers optimizing games for both Series S and X. Next, Game Pass remains the Xbox Series S's biggest advantage. With a subscription, you get access to hundreds of games, including day-one releases from Xbox Game Studios. In 2025, that library is better than ever, with recent hits and classics all in one place. If you're someone who loves variety and trying new titles without paying full price, the Series S Plus Game Pass combo is unbeatable. Storage might still be a concern. With only 512 gigabytes of internal storage, you may find yourself juggling game installs, especially with larger AAA titles. Thankfully, external SSD support and expansion cards help ease the pain, though at an extra cost. In terms of design, the Series S continues to be the smallest next-gen console, sleek, minimalist, and quiet. It fits perfectly in small spaces, dorms, or desks, making it ideal for gamers with limited room. In conclusion, if you're looking for a budget next-gen experience in 2025, the Xbox Series S is still a great option. It's not the most powerful, but it offers fantastic value, access to an enormous library, and a next-gen experience that holds up surprisingly well. Thanks for watching or reading, and stay tuned for more tech content right here on Techiato.